And on this Tuesday, August 25th, 2026 edition of Newsmakers, attorneys general from 19 states want the U.S. Supreme Court to uphold Colorado's requirement that publicly funded preschools follow state anti-discrimination laws, including protections for LGBTQ+ families. The case involves two Catholic preschools that argue the requirement conflicts with their religious beliefs. The Supreme Court is expected to hear arguments in November. 5 Tennessee school districts are facing records requests from a coalition of civil liberties groups over plans to display the Ten Commandments in public schools. Michael Kastner reports.
The groups are seeking information from districts after a new state law allowed the displays in prominent areas of the schools. The groups say the displays could violate families' religious freedom, while the law's supporters argue the Ten Commandments are part of the state's religious and cultural heritage. I'm Michael Kastner.
Some parents at Jesuit High School in Sacramento, California, want the Catholic Church to investigate the school's decision to admit girls. They've asked the Vatican to review the change, saying the school did not consult families. School leaders say the decision to add girls was carefully considered and supported by church officials, adding the change comes as enrollment drops and educational needs shift. The petition follows a lawsuit from other parents. Girls are expected to start in August next year. Country music legend Dolly Parton is dead at the age of 80. Parton rose from humble beginnings in rural Tennessee to become one of the most influential voices in country music. Parton opened up about her health struggles just days before her death. In an interview with People published on Friday, August 21st, Parton said, "I am dealing with some health issues that I just didn't pay attention to when I was watching over Carl." Carl Thomas Dean was the late husband of Parton, who passed away at the age of 82 in March 2025. Parton's first musical performances were in church, where her grandfather was a preacher. Parton was open to making fun of herself. When she hosted Saturday Night Live in 1989, she told the writers that her only restrictions were she wouldn't curse and she wouldn't make fun of Jesus. Parton spanned social and political divides through multiple generations of fans, urban and rural, and in between. In 2019, Parton sung on a version of the song God Only Knows by Christian group for King and Country. Dolly Parton, dead at the age of 80. And that's Newsmakers for this Tuesday, August 25th, 2026 edition. I'm Keith Black.